Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the fourth chapter atomic structure. And here first of all we will discuss some few important concepts regarding the matter and energy. It was declared by the Albert Einstein. It was declared by the scientist Albert Einstein that this whole universe is made up of only two things, which is this universe is made up of only two things, which is energy and matter, right? And matter and energy are converted into each other. It means the scientist Albert Einstein stated by his calculations and that this whole universe is made up of only two things, that is matter and energy, and each of these things can be converted into one form to another form. This is according to a relation which was given by Albert Einstein, and these things happen according to a relation or the function or the formula which was proposed by Albert Einstein, right? And this equation is E is equal to mc square. E is equal to mc square, where E is the energy, small m is the mass, and small c is the velocity of light, right? So it is clear that a great theoretical physicist Albert Einstein explained about this universe that this whole universe is made up of only two things. First thing is matter, second thing is energy, and these things are converted from one form to the another form. And this happens according to a relation which was proposed by him, E is equal to mc square, where E is the energy and small m is the mass and c is equal to velocity of light, right? Now one thing is to be noted, that if we consider that whole of the energy has been converted into the mass, then what will happen? Then we can say that total thing has which is available in this universe is energy, and nothing can be added to it, nothing can be eliminated from it. It means the whole magnitude of energy is constant. Opposite to this, we can also say that if whole of the energy is converted into the, if we convert whole of the energy into the mass, then in the universe only matter is there and nothing can be inserted into it, and nothing can be eliminated through it. This is how, on the basis of these facts, we can say that this whole universe has fixed amount of energy if we convert whole magnitude of mass into the energy, and likewise if we convert whole mass into energy, we can say the whole energy of the universe is fixed, and if we convert whole energy into the mass, we can say the whole mass of the universe is fixed, right? Therefore, according to these facts, here two laws has been proposed, which is law of conservation of mass and law of conservation of energy, right? Because the energy can neither be created nor destroyed. Likewise here the mass can neither be created nor destroyed, but these are converted from one state to another state. It means energy can be converted into matter, and the matter can be converted into energy. Now, here the facts illustrated above provide us a reason to give the law of conservation of mass and conservation of energy. Now here again we can repeat it, that the branch of science that deals with the study of matter, its composition, atomic and molecular structure, and other effect of energy on it, and its reactions, then this is called chemistry. It means in the branch of chemistry, in the branch of science that in which we deals with the study of uh, composition or structure of the matter, its reactions, and impact of energy on it is called chemistry. Now another thing which is related to the energy, it means the branch of science that generally deals with the energy and its impact is known as physics, right? Now, the matter which is found in this universe has different types of the organization level. It means finer, finest, normal, right? It means as we think about our body, that our body is made up of cell, and many cell form the uh, organ tissues, and tissue form organ, and organ form organ system, and organ system form the body. Likewise here, the organization of matter is of different level, and this generally we can say the organization of matter is of three types. First one is subatomic level, then atomic level, and after that molecular level of the organization. Now here when we see about the gradation of the organization of the matter, different level of the matter, here we see that here at the topmost it is subatomic particles. It means the finest particle of the matter is subatomic particle. And what are these subatomic particles? These subatomic particles are electron, proton, and neutron, right? Electron, proton, and neutron. And these electron, proton, and neutron combine to form atoms. Now atoms, many types of the atoms combine to form molecules. And now the highest level is matter. When different types of the molecules combine, they create the whole matter. So this is the organization of the matter. Subatomic particle combine and form the atoms. Now atoms combine and form the molecules, and after that molecules combine and the whole matter appears, which is in front of us. in front of us. Like after that, here we see some definitions. The smallest particle of the matter which can exist freely except noble gases is called atom. This is the definition of atom which we have already studied. After that, the smallest particle of the matter which can exist freely is called molecules, right? It means atom cannot exist freely except noble gases, and these atoms combine to form higher organization level of the matter which is molecular level, and due to which the molecules are formed. After that, these molecules combine to form, when these molecules combine, these form the molecules, right? It means the smallest particle of the matter which cannot exist freely except noble gases is called atom. The smallest particle of the matter which can exist freely is called molecule, and molecules are made up of atoms. Now, subatomic particles are the small are the particles from which atom is made up of. Now here one thing we can conclude, that the concept of atom the concept that atom is here one thing is that here the concept of atom concept that here atom is not, here matter should be there, here matter should be there. The concept that matter is made up of a small particle was first proposed by Indian philosopher Kanada, right? Maharshi Kanada. Now next thing, John Dalton stated that atom is the smallest particle of the matter which is indivisible. This fact we have already studied. It means John Dalton told that whole the atom is indivisible particle, and it is smallest particle of the matter. But in the 19th century, by the results of many scientists like Rutherford, James Chadwick, J.J. Thomson, it was illustrated that atom is not indivisible, it is divisible, and it is itself made up of different types of the particles, which are electron, proton, and neutron, and this theory is known as modern atomic theory. Now how uh, this is the base of this chapter, and in this, after that, we will discuss how these electron, proton, and neutron are arranged in the atom, and what are the properties which are found in electron, proton, and neutrons, and how these particles play important role in the construction or the formation of atom. We will discuss these all the things and the several experiments in the next video.
Next to